Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix VMware error virtualized Intel VT or XEPT is not supported on this platform. First method is open control panel. Uncheck Hyper-V, uncheck Virtual Machine Platform, Windows Hypervisor Platform and Windows Sandbox. Open Group Policy Editor. Open Turn on Virtualization-Based Security, change settings to Disabled. Open Core Isolation. Turn off Memory Integrity. Open PowerShell in Administrative Privileges. Run commands one by one. Second method is change BIOS settings. Turn on Intel virtualization technology and turn off Intel trusted execution technology. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.